We're here on the Carnival Mardi Gras, and we will be exploring room 11282. Let's go ahead and buzz in. Room 11282 is a balcony suite. And as you walk in, you'll notice the walkway is a little narrow, but it opens right up into your bed, and then your closet space over there will get closer there. As soon as you walk in, on your left is your bathroom. You've seen them all. One difference notice with the suites, I believe, is a sliding door for your showers. And also, since we're in the suite, we have the LMS shampoo and bath gel. Continuing on, I'm going to turn around so you can kind of see your spacing. Continuing on, your king size bed. We've already had service. We've been greeted by a nice little elephant. I don't know. Walking right around. Welcome to your more spacious area walkway. Your large desk with your mirror. Very nice lighting, so you can get really pretty for elegant night. Across from the bed, I forgot to mention, so your flat screen TV mounted. As we move on down, you'll see you have a mini fridge and three drawers, because the top one has your blow dryer already in here. And you have 3 drawers for storage. Turning it around, we have 2 closets that are divided, already filled up. And your safe, which can be controlled by your stateroom key card. Slide your shoes in. You have the same mechanisms for things like shirts, socks, etc. So 2 closets. Second one mirrors. That one has a few robes. Coming over past that area, we have actually a couch, but we have it set up as the bunk bed setup. The bunk bed comes out of the ceiling, and then there's of course a ladder attachment, and then the couch actually does fold into a larger bed if you just wanted to, but since we just got 2 small ones, we decided to go with the twin. Across from their area, they have their own television, some storage as well, and then onto the balcony. And since this is, I think it may be an extended type balcony, it's a corner, so you'll see the difference. Up here is a child lock mechanism, twisted, and then I'll hit this here. Slide it open. There's 3 chairs on the balcony and a small table. This room actually connects to the one next door, so if you travel with family and want to connect, you can with your balcony. Just a view back into the room. You see the other balconies there. Oh, this is deck 11, so it's almost like in the middle of the ship. You still have a few decks above you and quite a few below you. Directly under us, actually, looking down, is some of the Havana rooms. And a great view. Even from here, I can hear some music playing, probably from the Lido deck. And that is a quick tour of your room, stateroom 11282 on the Carnival Mardi Gras.
Oh my God!
Hope you enjoy it.